we currently made it out here. Good old Freed Diesel picked us up. We're currently sitting on the floor mobbing over here. We got the seats out of this thing, huh?
Yeah, it was race trucks.
UCC straight race truck stuff over here. But last time I saw Freed, I picked him up in Florida. Now I'm in Indiana checking it out, so we're headed over. What is that?
Now I picked you up.
Yep, works both ways. So now we're about to be on our way to UCC for the first time, and let's see how it goes. I'm looking forward to it. Oh my. This thing a sleeper or what?
It's a little sleeper.
I got that nice weight reduction back here.
Yeah, something like that.
It's a rust-free bed waiting for you, Freed.
Yeah, it is a rusty bed. I ought to buy it off them right now.
That shit's minty. Texas special.
Oh, yes. Straight from Texas.
That motherfucker came off 2 wheels, bro. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Let's go! So we're over here at UCC, and I happen to see this huge truck sitting here, big old snail hanging out the hood. Something you definitely don't see every day. What do we got going on over here?
It's a 1988 Peterbilt 379. Was a mechanical engine. I took that out, put a C15-ish, 18-speed transmission, power clutch. Turbos are Precisions, 118 and 143 running at 220 pounds of boost.
220 pounds of
Yes.
boost. Usually down the track, what do you think this would make on a good time?
I do 12 seconds all day long, and usually it's 11.5, 11.8 at 120 miles an hour.
That's a bit crazy, this big old girl, huh?
13,000 pounds to move
Oh
with a manual transmission.
God.
18 speed.
Have you ever had this thing on the dyno, or any idea what it would make?
It was that diesel free a couple years ago, was 4,000 horsepower, 7,000 foot-pounds.
4,000 horsepower. You gotta be kidding me, dude. That's freaking sweet. So not only does he have this beast right here, this old girl pulls it all the way from Canada. Just your average grocery getter.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Heck yeah.
Thank you.
Let's
That's
go.
awesome.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate it, dude. Little behind the scenes action. Nice in here, man. Full blown AC, everything. Might have to sit in here, grab a few beers, and call it a day. First day out here at UCC, and this is absolutely sick. All these trucks, like 2,000 horsepower plus, going down the drag strip. It's absolutely insane. So much horsepower out here, and this has been a hell of an event. Excited for this after party. You got the fucking drag strip, dyno competition, sled pulling, the whole nine. So it's gonna be a fun one. Stay tuned. So we're wrapping up over here, day one at UCC. Saw tons of badass trucks, but this was one I had to ask him about, hear a little bit about it. This beautiful 5th gen here. So what exactly is done to it? How, like, where's this thing started? Where did it all come down?
Started 6 months ago. It came in brand new. Had 20 miles on it when we tore it down. We did a fully custom air rod lift with flat fab, striker, king chocks. It's got all the best brands involved. JTX built us a custom set of wheels for it. It's a brand new truck that we gutted and made into a show truck, and that's all it does, man.
Hell yeah. So the whole suspension setup, what exactly is it from height-wise and whatnot?
So the max it'll go is 10. It'll come back down to stock height, and then it sits about 6 inches of ride height.
Oh, okay. And that's just on a remote? You can put it up and down?
Yeah. It's on a little controller right here. So I can lower it right there.
Plastic on the seats and everything. That's what I like to see.
They'll only have Cummins per pound.
That shit comes down quick too.
Oh yeah. Yeah, she slams pretty good for how big she is.
Yeah.
Who's that guy in the passenger seat? What's up, man?
God damn. The perfect time for some burnouts.
Oh yeah, perfect time.
So, day 2 out here. Today's supposedly the competitive day from Dyno, racing the whole 9. So, guess we'll see how it goes. This is the day that everyone looks forward to. Supposedly the craziest day of the event. So, let's see what it has in store. Third gen gang over here. Let's go.
The sheets
sad day over here for this old girl. She's coming off the dyno right now. There's been a bit of oil everywhere. But still put down a pretty big number, 2389. 26, 21. Also, with my black truck, as you guys know, I blew up my 467, so I felt it was only right, since I blew up my last Charger, it was time to give one back to you guys. So we're going to be running another giveaway between May 18th and June 18th. I'm going to be giving away a forced inductions turbo, any size of your choice, up to $1,500. So that gives you tons of options, from drop-in turbos, 300 frames, 400 frames, billet wheel, you know, a lot of very common 467, 472, 480, the whole 9 yards. You could get it with that $1,500 limit. So for any of you guys, it's going to be ran on rafflecreator.com. All the information will be there. I'll pop it up on the screen. I'll also leave it in the description. But with only a few dollars, you could have the opportunity to win a brand new turbo. And who doesn't need a new turbo for their build? Come on now. So I wish you guys the best of luck. Like I said, it will be ending June 18th, so get entered while you can. Good luck. 2614, let's go. There we go, John. 2342. Wow. Atta boy. Hell yes.
I thought for sure a piston was going through my heart.
Supposedly these boys want to get some tear gas out to stop all the shenanigans going on over here. I guess we'll see though. Pure craziness out here.
What do you think of Indiana so far?
Oh, it's fucking sick, dude. Good shit, boy. Let's go, boy!
Hell yeah! Fucking sick, man.
Just look at these people just coming out their hotel. Like, what the fuck is going on out here?
It's 1 a.m. fucking sweet. Attaboy.
Yes, sir! This is about the third damn parking lot we are getting kicked out of once again. Hell yeah. This damn dually's still going, bro. 10 minutes later. Indiana, y'all are wild as hell. I will definitely be back next year. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Over here with Dusty from Custom Offsets, as you've seen previously. Checking everything out over here.